Another common question that I'm asked in my personal injury practice when somebody's been injured and been in an accident and needs assistance is who's going to pay for my rental vehicle? Or am I allowed to claim a rental vehicle and the fees incurred with the rental vehicle on the at-fault insurance carrier? Well, the answer is it's not that simple to answer. First and foremost, what we try to provide advice is that we look at the at-fault carrier to see if they are going to pick up payment by either speaking with the adjuster or the attorney involved on the at-fault party side. If they are going to pick up coverage, then we advise to get the rental vehicle, then we'll submit the bill to the at-fault carrier. If we cannot get an answer and or if the at-fault insurance carrier denies paying for your rental vehicle, we'll step in, assist our clients with payment for the rental vehicle so that they can get their vehicle repaired and back on the road. And then we will seek either reimbursement from your own insurance carrier, because some clients have rental vehicle coverage under their own personal insurance company. If that's the case, we'll submit the bill to their own carrier. Then their own carrier will then seek reimbursement from the at-fault party. Regardless, the goal is to get the at-fault party to pay for your rental vehicle should it find it necessary to get one after an accident.